I've got 7 tips and tricks for small YouTubers. That is what's coming up next.
Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new and you want to grow on YouTube, stake your claim, amplify your message by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. Step number 1, an easy YouTube channel name. Easy for viewers to remember, easy for YouTubers to share, spell correctly. The idea is easy. Think about the audience you want to attract and then create a YouTube channel name that is easily understood and recognized by those people that you want to attract. For example, if you've got a health, weight loss, maybe a fitness channel, well, think about incorporating any one of those words into your channel name to make it easy for people to remember and refer their friends to your channel. Now, the thing you don't want to do is create a YouTube channel name that's complicated, hard to spell, hard to remember. You don't want a lot of numbers. You don't want a lot of uppercase and lowercase. Again, simplicity is the name of the game. Tip number 2, focusing on non-essential YouTube things. This is like YouTube channel tags. A lot of people have asked me, Brian, like, what's the best way I can optimize my YouTube channel tags? The truth of the matter is the amount of impact that changing and optimizing your YouTube channel tags, not to be confused with video tags, still very effective in driving more views to your channel. Anyway, as I was saying, channel tags carry very little importance. Do what you can to identify what's truly most important when it comes to growing a channel and focus your energy on that. This is things like audience retention, thumbnails, things like paying attention to the keywords, your YouTube tags, the titles. These elements are the most important thing without question. Want to know more about what's most important here on YouTube? Check out the video in the YouTube card right now. And tip number 3, optimizing your YouTube About page. And you can do that by taking the time to make it easy to read, easy to understand, and lead with a benefit. Lead why someone should subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you watch my videos, you've heard me mention things like stake your claim and amplify your message. And that value proposition is found on my channel art. I mention it in my videos, and again, it's repeated on my About page. Here's how you can do it yourself. Begin by identifying what makes your channel unique. What makes your channel different? Heck, why should viewers subscribe to your channel? Mention that in your About page and make it easy and simple to read. Shorter is better because no one really reads or spends a lot of time on these pages. You just want to convey an idea about what makes your channel awesome. And YouTube tip number 4, an optimized profile picture. Now you can use a picture of yourself or a logo, it doesn't matter, both have advantages. Again, what you want to think about is your profile picture or your logo, is it easy to understand? Is it unique? Is it different? Does it stand out? Now, obviously, if it's a picture of you, well, no two humans look the same, and that will allow you to stand out. Now, if you do use a picture of yourself, make sure you're fully lit, focus on the face, and that'll be plenty good. And bonus tip, smile. Tip number 5, experiment, try new things, and repeat what works. So many YouTubers, they keep making the exact same kind of videos. They cover the same gameplay, they make the same videos talking about health or weight loss or entrepreneurship. The bottom line is I see so many YouTubers that aren't mixing it up. They're not trying new things. And obviously, if you keep repeating the same things again and again, you're probably gonna get the same result. However, if you try new things, if you try different kinds of topics, different thumbnail styles, if you mix up and experiment, you're gonna have a lot of varied results. Focus on that, and once you find something that works well, then do that often. Repeat that again and again. Go deeper into that particular subject. Item number 6, don't be a zero format channel. What do I mean by that? A zero format channel. One of the things you'll notice about the most successful YouTubers is they repeat a format with their videos. They often publish on certain days. One of the things you'll notice about successful YouTubers is they repeat or they create a thumbnail that's in alignment with their previous thumbnails. They've got certain colors, fonts, styles. In other words, they follow a format, and it makes it easy. By the way, you see this whole easy thing is a pretty important thing that you want to focus on YouTube. Making it easy for the viewer to remember your channel. And you see, having a format does just that. It makes it easier for people to remember who you are. It makes it easier for them to identify a new video you've just released. Because you're leveraging the same format in your thumbnail, you're leveraging the same format in your video schedule. So don't be totally random. Instead, create a format for all the things. And by focusing on a format, you'll create identity for your channel. You will give your channel personality. Your channel will be the only channel like it on YouTube, and that's a powerful thing. Cool. YouTube tip number 7, the thumbnail target test. Do this. Identify the target keyword phrase you want to rank for. This becomes your target. Then create a screen capture of the YouTube search results and simply craft and create a YouTube thumbnail and then overlay your thumbnail on a current ranking, maybe number 1 or number 4. The idea is you want to see how your thumbnail is going to look even before you publish it in the search results. You want to see how your thumbnail is going to look in suggested videos, again, before you publish. One of the things I found is that my thumbnails aren't quite dialed in until I perform this test. And by just kind of making a mock-up of search results or suggested video results, I can see indeed how my thumbnail looks. So very important. I think I said 7, but it turns out we got 8 tips. Bonus! And tip number 8, make sure to leverage the power of analytics. You see, you want to know how your videos are performing. Don't ask people for their opinion. Instead, look at your YouTube analytics to get an idea of just how much or not viewers are watching your videos. What you want to measure with the aim of improving is YouTube audience retention. You want to measure your audience retention on a per video basis. Without question, it's one of the most important things to YouTube and thus to us. And by measuring with the aim of improving, I've greatly improved my retention and my views have increased dramatically. I've actually created a video on retention and video structure. Check out the YouTube video in the card now to improve your retention. It'll help you drive more views, which is awesome. Now lastly, if you want to grow a channel, if you want to drive more views and gain subscribers, make sure to subscribe. Click the yellow B to the G icon below. You'll subscribe, I'll continue to share the strategies and tactics that have allowed me to grow, and you'll feed a poodle. I got 2 and they're hungry. I'll see you next time, you dig?